Code. Brother, you have a word. What really happened? What? Them know it's by your son neck. Oh, okay. Alright, so what? Slow down. After we meet, what happened? Okay. And I'm threatening him. Oh, I see. But cool. All you have to do is just call me and let me know what I want. We would have find something to put in them. No, but no matter how quick it was, me understand say you panic and your son, but yeah, them know which time go school and them know which time them, but that's a simple fix. You know me could have fixed that. So which part they know? You mean you can't tell me? Code, look here, man. Alright. No worry yourself. I understand. But you're safe. Your son's safe. Alright, well, that's all that matters. I'm just glad to see you're alive. Look, cause I know all this is my fault. I'm gonna fix it. Yeah, man. One love. Hello? Yeah. You don't know me. My name is Carlton Wallace. I know where your daughter is. You want her back? Alright. Alright, Tony. Game on.
Seven. Which car park now? So just drop them same place. So just drop them same place from on Law Street. Run on the back gate of Suko? Or the front gate? Alright, well, when I leave out, I call them. But so that 85, 70 for them guy there and 15 for Suko. Alright, that's alright, me call you. Yeah. Yeah man, 85. Alright, bye-bye.
So like business popping babes, is it harder that you just get?
Yeah, you know, yesterday them come say more 70 table and him just call say more 85 instead of the 70.
Wow.
What you say? You realize that the exact 85 table may have now, but at 102. You see why I insist when them deliver the table, them always check it out before it go and when it come back, because it's as if it's the norm for them these days. If I rent 50 table, it come 49. Not that they're not paying me for my table, you know, but if them not check it off, and one day pass, I'm call people and tell them say one table come back, me say they don't want to pay me.
Here I go. We're going to put an added stipulation. Whosoever neglect to do the check off, if there is anything short, it will come out and they'll pay. Because you see, sometimes if you not trouble people's pocket, it not grab them. them not tend to keep it at the forefront of their mind. You understand?
True. But we seriously have to think about building some more table or buy some other type, especially the little light up type. Them come like them. We have to
We
make
like
some
them
more.
there, but yeah, we need some more table. And we really have a brainstorm it because we need to be able to can feel 3 or 4 other size harder than on any given day.
Yeah. That is exactly what I think. Because suppose somebody call me later again want a 50 or 100 table. When I have nothing to give them. I mean, I like when people call me for things I mean, I have it to give them, you know. I feel disappointed.
Exactly. And that is a turn off to the potential customer coming because you say once them call and them needs not met. When them the next time around, we're not the first and that comes from their mind anymore. So we lose business. And I said, now that we have the space and the best time to up the repertoire and make sure we build and get some more table and chair. You understand?
Yeah, you know, I'll link blocks tomorrow because we're going to need at least 50 more tables for now. Make him go and start with the pandemic.
Babes, watch your style. Don't order 50. Tell him to give 25. Because it's like how the summer done now and back to school. The party and them have kind of, you know, really down for a minute. So, we that go back to the 105 and we just go and trackle this up till later down to the festive season. We see if we go up to even 200. Oh, yeah, well, I come up on the road now. I have 1 and 2 things to take care of, so you don't know. Yeah.
You want me to carry on?
Nah, man, don't worry yourself. Because yeah, I done call Fireway already. And you don't know brought back in my boy we can't go anywhere. You see me, sir? I hate that. Yeah?
Alright. Just be careful.
Yeah, man. So take
Alright.
care. Have a good one.
Yeah.